Hi, I'm Luis and this is The Lab. This is a Garmin Epix Gen 2 GPS smartwatch. This watch is dope. It looks clean and sleek, very professional. Epix is a premium active smartwatch. It has advanced training features and it helps you gauge and track your performance. It also has animated workouts. It gives you a quick description via animations to show you how to do the workout properly. The watch has built-in sports apps like biking, hiking, tennis, golfing, running, and more. With this watch, I can track heart rate, oxygen, respiration, and sleep. The 1.3-inch AMOLED display is always on and bright. The button controls work in any environment, extreme cold, underwater, you name it. The watch has built-in GPS, so with that, you have access to topographical maps, ski maps, and up to 42,000 preloaded golf courses. Whatever your sport is, this can make you better at it. Have questions? Come see me. Thanks for stopping by The Lab.